In this video, we will be explaining Application Programming Interface or API. What is an API? An API is a set of commands, functions, protocols and objects that programmers can use to create software or interact with an external system. Let's try to understand APIs intuitively.
Suppose you go to a restaurant. As a customer, you interact with the waiter for your requirements and the waiter provides what you need. You interact with the restaurant through the waiter. Thus, waiter acts as an interface between you and the restaurant. So you don't have to worry about the complexities or workings of the restaurant. APIs work in the same way. It acts as an interface between two software. A programmer that uses an API for a software does not have to worry about how it works. APIs are similar to software libraries. You import them and use without worrying about the implementation.
There are three types of API: public API, private API, and the partner API. Public APIs are available for everyone to use. This allows people to create applications that interact with this API and can be a source of innovation. Private API is only used internally, like inside a company. No one else outside the company can use this API. Now, the partner API is the API that is shared with specific business partners. This can provide an additional revenue without compromising quality.
Now, let's look at some examples of API. Every operating system like Windows provides an API. The applications can interact with the operating system through the API. Some functionalities that operating system APIs provide include user interface controls, networking commands, accessing file system, etc. Websites can also provide an API for web developers that allows them to access specific information from their site. The Google API allows you to connect your code to a whole range of Google services from Maps to Translate. The Facebook API allows your code to access Facebook's social graph and marketing tools. The Java API is a library of software component available for anyone who has installed the Java Development Kit. These components implement common tasks and generally increase the productivity because programmers don't have to start from the scratch every time. The Twitter API allows developers to programmatically interact with the Twitter data. The Twitter API is web-based API unlike Java API which is included in the Java Development Kit. It must be accessed through the internet.
APIs are very important and useful for software developers because it makes software development easy. For example, if a developer wants to have a media player in their application, they do not need to code a media player from scratch. They can use an API. This allows developers to focus more on the important parts and improve agility of development.